Can you describe your experience of working in Karmyogini and That's Daily?
It can't be right.
छोड़ो, ये लाइन कट कर देना। स्टार्टिंग से बोलता हूँ, फिर से पूछो।
It was a very good experience, you know, something I never thought I would ever do in my life.
For me personally, it has been quite a learning experience.
The working together, I was missing this fun for about 7 to 8 months. Staying at home was really boring and it was really refreshing working together with the team and my friends, teachers. It was a great experience.
I think it's been most amazing. It's why I would say and very endearing, because suddenly I discovered that I had a role to play.
Karmyogini has been more than an experience for me. I was very happy with the character I had gotten because I saw myself as Komal, which was the best part.
I just have one word to describe the experience. Everything has been a blur. Each and everything, it has gone by like this. And it was a very picturesque blur.
On set, it was fun, except for the reshoots and all the safety shots. But now, all those slangs are included in our daily language. So.
Me and the principal were having a simple chat.
And I said, listen, I have a lot of students of mine in Bollywood, and I've told them I want to be a small role, but I want that.
So I gave him an idea, why not we make a film?
And I think he took it very seriously.
I really didn't know that he'll take it seriously, but he takes everything very seriously.
And he got after my life, and I had to act.
And he loves the arts, and he thinks that arts is one of the best ways to educate children.
The best part was working with children.
Now he said, I want to make a film on the life of Devi Ahilyabai Holkar. So biggest challenge for me was to get myself in a room, read everything about Devi Ahilyabai Holkar, and then come up with a script which is, you know, historical yet today, which is inspirational and yet, you know, it gives you the facts of what exactly happened.
I really wish that we would have had such an experience in our lifetime at this age, which we did not get. So this is a great experience for all the students to be a part of a movie from the inside out.
यार सच बताऊँ ना तो मैं मेरे घर से ज़्यादा यहाँ पे सेफ लग रहा था खुद को। At home you are also like कि यार कुछ नहीं है, चलो बाहर घूम के आ जाते हैं, ये करके आ जाते हैं इधर। यहाँ पे कैंपस ही इतना बड़ा है, प्लस इतनी सेफ्टी मेजर्स कैंपस पे ही है, तो फिर ऑब्वियसली बहुत सेफ रहेगा।
सी सेफ्टी मेजर्स स्कूल ने हर एक मोमेंट पे, हर एक स्टेप पे सेफ्टी मेजर्स को ध्यान में रखा है। राइट फ्रॉम योर लाइक यू नो एंटरिंग द स्कूल, योर बोर्डिंग हाउसेस का जो भी था अरेंजमेंट हमारा था, जो हमारे सेट्स में थे, सेट के जो सैनिटाइजेशन था, टीम थी, फर्स्ट एड का जो वो था अरेंजमेंट था, आपका सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग था, सब कुछ प्रॉपर नॉर्म्स और अकॉर्डिंग टू द लाइक गाइडलाइंस हमने उसको फॉलो किया है।
Everywhere all precautions have been taken. You all have really cooperated very well in using masks and sanitizing yourself.
I think even in the studio we were very careful that we called only one person in at a time, and we tried to follow all the rules. So I think the school has done a remarkable job in that department.
जो इस कर्मयोगी का जो पूरा सेटअप था, प्रिंसिपल सर ने एक एक चीज को इतना माइन्यूटली देखा था कि कहीं कोई चूक होनी नहीं चाहिए।
I think I felt more safe over here rather than being in Mumbai at my own house. The sanitization, everything, very well executed. Planning is one thing, but very well executed, felt very safe.
It was amazing. It was beautiful. It's been a while
since I last came to school. It was kind of sad also that it was not that kind of school that I was coming into, the classes and stuff. It was a bit in a different way, but still, seeing school in a different way and walking around the campus again, it felt amazing.
Coming to school when I was dying to come to school really. I used to run past the school's gate every day.
Coming after 6 months was very, very emotional. The moment I stepped in, it was this weird feeling that I'm stepping here for 15 days and then I'm not going to see the school for the next, I don't know how long. And now that everything's over, it's very, very heartbreaking.
Talking about me, I'm a person who doesn't like to socialize much, and I'm in my shell most of the time, but like coming here and talking to different people, I was able to open up more around people, I think.
I would have never worked in a movie ever before. I think it's the first time probably I would have, I have the opportunity to, work in a movie. And, seeing this kind of a episode, we want more of these kinds of movies to be made which send a good message across the society to the children, to the future generations, and I think it's a great feeling altogether.
See, one thing I have realized is the amount of dedication, the amount of hard work and labor that is put by each and every person. That has kind of really, hats off to everyone.
Frankly speaking, I don't have a lot of teamwork. From my young age, I have been into individual things and all. So now I have started to be a bit involved in teamwork and started to contribute.
That nothing happens without everyone coming together and working together. And I am someone who likes to work alone, who prefers to work alone, but I've seen the magic that can be created when you work as a team.
On set, the most embarrassing memory I had was when we had to do the war scene and I was sitting on the horse and I had to take my talwar out of the myan like this. And would you ever imagine Ahilya Bai taking out her ulti talwar and doing, this to the enemy? I was in the form. I took out my talwar and I was like, this talwar bahut achhi chalati hai. And I didn't even see the talwar. Sumit was like, cut. I was like, what? He was like,
on the set of the war scene, I was on my horse and the horse just took me outside the field. That was too very embarrassing.
I think it was when this fellow, Abhinandan Bum's horse almost took him away to some boarding house or something. And we were all like shell-shocked as to what to do next.
I think when the horse ran.
okay. You're the fourth person telling us this when the horse ran.
There was like a lot of wind in my eyes and I was blinking constantly and I was told not to blink. So when I tried not blinking, I had like tears rolling down my eyes and it was a little embarrassing because I was, right in front of the battlefield.
जो पहला शॉट मेरा था उसमें पीछे चिता जल रही थी, सामने डायलॉग बोलना था, तो पीछे चिता की जो तपन थी वो बार बार उसको महसूस करना, फिर डायलॉग बोलना, लेकिन हो गया सब
Truly speaking, it's so much close to my heart. I can't tell you because I have been born and brought up here in Indore and have heard all about Devi Ahilya University, airport, and still we knew so little about it.
Experience of seeing these children perform various tasks like horse riding, then Mr. Prashant Tripathi trying to act as Malhar Rao and stop Ahilya from doing sati. Top of Ashok House, the action lasting till 4 in the morning. We are all waiting. Children are given emptieth takes yet showing enthusiasm for the shot as demanded by the director. I just see with so many of those. It's an experience of lifetime, and I think it's really a fortunate thing for children at that age.
I think there is a lot of difference between real and reality. So when we see movie in theaters, like we give the review, like अगर अच्छी नहीं है movie, then we say कि नहीं अच्छा नहीं है. But behind it, there's a lot of hard work to do, and I've seen it. So I would never judge a movie by the story or thing. I would say that they have worked hard for it to shoot it and.
ये बहुत ही यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस है. ये कभी मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस स्कूल में कॉलेज में ऐसा कभी मिला नहीं है. और बच्चों के साथ स्पेशली और एक प्रोफेशनल मुंबई क्रू कैमरा लाइटिंग सब प्रोफेशनल्स हैं. तो उनको जिस तरीके से ये काम करते हैं उनको देखने का मौका और अपने बच्चों को बहुत ही हाई स्टैंडर्ड्स का जो इनका परफॉर्मेंस है वो देखने को मिला. तो बहुत ही मेरे ख्याल से ये कोविड टाइम में ये समय का बहुत ही अच्छा सदुपयोग हुआ है.
I think there was a reinforcement of my idea that you need for something like that a team. And if you do not have a team, you cannot achieve anything. So individuals matter, but when we work as a team, it's fabulous. What an experience.
I loved the crew. I did not think I'll, be able to mingle with them as much as I did. All of them were amazing, and the Nagdevs have always been very, very, very nice to me. And especially Arpit sir, this time he taught me so much in terms of technicalities and acting. And more than anything, this experience is just going to be unforgettable because it's my last year and I'm going to remember this more than anything.
And what gives me immense satisfaction is the way the children have taken up this project, the way the team from Mumbai has worked, the kind of passion that was shown by the staff of the school which was behind the show. And altogether, it has been a marvelous show, and I compliment you all. I compliment the director and compliment the principal for conceiving this grand idea. It is one of the memorable things that has happened for the school.
आपको याद है वो जब हंसते थे तो उनकी नाक से सेवड़ा निकल आता था. मेरे तो ये है I am all right.
This might not.
I am all right. No, this is what reminds me of one line. The guy becomes more famous than anybody else.
Ahilya is a character that's very strong. Ahilya is a driven character. गलत बात है सर.
इधर बोलो.
It's really wrong.
तो वैनिटी नहीं मिली, चाहता नहीं मिला उसको. वो पैदल चल के आ रही, उसने बोला पैर में कीचड़.
सर मेरी चप्पलों में इतना
चप्पलों में पंचर हो गया. पहली बार सुना मैं चप्पल उसके पंचर हो गए.
I've definitely walked more in the past few days than I did in the past 8 months. The way that Sumit sir keeps us busy is really tremendous. He made me stand in sand for hours without water.
Okay, everybody exit here because you'll get a sunstroke.
Which is amazing. I didn't think anybody could make me do that.
It was a really good experience और coming to DC इतने टाइम बाद, वो भी यार आखिरी साल में, that was a memory in itself.
But what I admire about the school is that, in such COVID times, they have this never give up spirit, and they have this spirit that whatever happens, we just got to manage things, we just got to adjust a little bit and just get things done.
School was ready to do the production. Arranging horses, arranging camels, arranging sets, arranging various locations, my goodness, taking permissions. There was a whole lot of things. We had the 360-degree experience of movie making.
इस 118 एकड़ कैंपस की जो खूबसूरती है वो बच्चे हैं, और बच्चों के बिना ये बहुत सूना लग रहा था. तो इस बीच बच्चों के साथ में मिलना, बच्चों से बातें करना, बोर्डिंग हाउस में बच्चों से मिलना, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। एक अच्छा मतलब ऐसा लगा कि हम वापस उसी समय में आ गए, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें जो है तकलीफ तो बहुत दे रही हैं।
You will always find there are some you haven't discovered, and they will just suddenly show up and show their worth.
See, most of them were there with us in junior school. So I've known them, I must say, from their childhood.
Shambho, 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 Shambho.
To describe it in one word, I would say Ikigai, as the principal also asked us, because I felt that I found happiness here.
But I think it's been a great experience. First time ever a public school with 150 years of legacy has made a movie.
When I first came, I was very skeptical about how all of it was going to go about, because we'd never done anything like before. APG I'm acquainted with, but a movie, the one which shot before was just on a film, on a phone. But when they got out the big cameras and all the lights and the diffusers and all of that funny film language, I don't know, it was also surreal.
After 3 years, I got to ride a horse, and those are Bharati horses, right? They aren't really trained to canter and I mean, they can, but not like police or army horses can. So it was a fun experience, yeah.
Production was great. It just came by surprise because the team was new, and the production that happened within Delhi College was the best things that we got in terms of art, setup. It was excellent. We couldn't have asked for better.
Some shots were very tough to achieve, like coordinating with those horses was quite a challenge. Getting the first shot was itself a challenge because I wanted those rays of sun coming on, because I wanted it to be symbolic. I wanted to show the rising sun. I wanted some great shots in Maheshwar. Those were a challenge, to shoot it in drone and all of that. So we went through our own share of madness.
Experience which I cannot define, I don't have words for it, right? Because this is the first time when I'm interacting with a team of movie makers. That too, professional लोगों के साथ काम करना, cope up करना अपने बच्चों के साथ.
Delhi College has been delivering from the past 150 years.
A different experience altogether. As I told you earlier also, that it's a different type of fun.
But we really like the costumes.
This school has given me this movie, and I'm more than thankful, because I will never, ever forget this. It has changed me as a person because I look at things from a different perspective. You look at the actor acting and you think it's so easy, and the amount of takes it takes, little things, the continuity, but like, it's very tough.
Jwala.
Preeminent.
Magnificent.
Excellent.
Exemplary.
Unique.
Super.